From the above picture, there are incisors are there, canines are there, premolars are there, and molars are there. So from this picture, you know that so incisors are central incisors is equal to 4. Lateral incisors are 4. And a central lateral అంటే పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటివి సైడ్. సో ఇది 4. Total incisors 8. Total incisors 8. So అలాగే canines only 4 is there. And also premolar, you write canines is equal to the total canines equal to 4. Premolars means first premolar, second premolar. First premolar 4, second premolar 4, total premolar is equal to 8. Next molars means all molars. First premolar, second premolar, third premolar. You get the total. Okay. Then second question, identify and write the common properties of the following collections. First question is 2, 4, 6, 8. You know that all are even numbers. All are even numbers. That we say in set x is 2, x is even. In the same way, second question 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. You know the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These all are e primes. These all are primes. So you write all are like this, prime numbers. Set of x is 2, x is prime. This is not of. And here 1, 4, 9, 16. You observe this 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. So you think these all are squaring numbers. So perfect squares, all are perfect squares, perfect square. So you set of x is 2, x is a perfect square, x is 2, x is a perfect square. Next question, January, February, March, April, and so on. You know this all are month of the year. All are months. All are English months. All are English months. All are English months. Next you can write here set of x is 2, x is month of a year. Month of a year. Close the curly bracket. Close the curly bracket. Next thumb, index finger. Index finger is also called show finger. Next middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. Ring finger and pinky. Pinky and chicken whale. So here all are fingers of the hand. So right here all are fingers of a hand. So you write inside x is 2, x is a finger of hand. X is 2, x is a finger of. Next do this question number 3. Write the following sets. Write the following sets. Set of first 5 positive integers. First 5 positive integers. So we are writing like a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are positive integers. A set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100. Multiples of 5 అయి ఉండాలి ప్లస్ 100 కంటే ఎక్కువ 100 పైన 125కి లోపల అంటే more than 100 and less than 125. That are, you know that multiples of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, like that. After 100, 105. So we are using set 105, next 110, next 115, and 120. And after 120, after 125, but they are asking only less than 125. So we are writing 105, 110, and 115, and 120. It's set of first 5 cubic numbers. First 5 cubic numbers. You know that cubic numbers 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, 4 cubed, 5 cubed. We're asking only 5 cubic numbers. You know that is equal to set of 1 cubed means 1, 2 cubed means 8, 3 cubed means 27, 4 cubed means 64, and 5 cubed means 125. So these are the first 5 cubic numbers. First 5 cubic numbers. And here also we are using curly bracket. Curly bracket. A set of digits in Ramanujan number. Set of digits in Ramanujan number. So the Ramanujan number is this Ramanujan number is 1729. This is Srinivasa Ramanujan number. It's already in previously we are explained you. Okay, 1729. We are writing set of 1, 2, 7, 9. 1, 2, 7, 9. Like it is a roster form by using commas. Next, question number 4. Some numbers are given below. Decide the numbers to which number sets they belongs to and does not belongs to. And replace with the correct symbols. Express with correct symbol. You see, 1 belongs to. This is the belongs to symbol. 1 belongs to n, natural number. 1 belongs to n. N for natural number. This is the Greek word belongs to is called belongs to. And also 0 0 belongs to w, 0 belongs to w, and 0 does not belongs to, this is the does not belongs to symbol, does not belongs to n. And here minus 4 see belongs to z, z for integer, z for integer. Minus 4 does not belongs to, does not, this is the does not symbol, does not belongs to n or whole number, whatever it may be, or whole number, n whole number కి సంబంధించి కాదనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ 5/6, 5/6 belongs to q, rational number, 5 by q belongs to rational number. 5/6 does not belongs to z, it is not an integer. 5/6 it is a, because it is a p by q form. Root 2, so root 2 is belongs to yes real number, and also root 2 is belongs to irrational number, irrational number, but is not root 2 does not belongs to q, rational number కాదు, rational number కాదు. So s is collection of rational number and irrational number is called real number. Here root 2 belongs to s and root 2 does not belongs to q. Next, log 2, log 2 does not belongs to n, does not belongs to n, because it is a log 2 only. And 0.03 is all does not belongs to z, z only, even numbers and odd numbers, even numbers and positive numbers. Here it is a decimal number 0.03, so it does not belongs to z. And pi, and pi does not belongs to z, it's not a integer. Minus root 4 also does not belongs to q, rational number కాదు. Okay, now do this fifth question. List the elements of the following sets. G is equal, first list the elements of the following sets. Elements G is equal to all the factors of 20, all the factors of 20. We know the factors of 20 here, 1 20s are, next 2 10s are, next 23 is not there, 4 5s are, 4 5s are. The factors of 20, factors of 20. So now G is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 20, 10 comma 20. These are the factors of 20, 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 10 comma. Next, same question, f is equal to the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61. 17 కు 61 కు మధ్యలో ఉండాలి. సో విచ్ ఆర్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 7, అవి మళ్ళీ 7తో డివిజిబుల్ కావాలి. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ f is equal to suppose 17 after 20, so 20 comma 24 comma 28. I'm writing multiples of 4, 17 and 61, between 17 and 61, 28 comma 32 comma 36 comma 40 comma 44 comma 48 comma 52 comma 56 comma 60. These are the multiples of 4 between 17 and 61. But another query is it must be divisible by 7. 7 is divisible, 7 4s are 28, 7 6 are 42, not there, 7 7s are 49, and finally 7 8 are 56. These two only divisible by 7, so comma 56. Our answer is this two only. F is equal to 28 comma 56. Why? Because these two only multiples of 4 between 17 and 61 which are divisible by 7. In this all are multiples of 4 between 17 and 61. Okay, but only divisible by 7, 28 and 56. Now we are writing 28 and 56. Next question, S is equal to X. X is a letter in the word madam. So now we are writing in the roster form. S is equal to set of A comma D comma M. Why? Because only writing 3 letters here. two letters are repeated, M two times repeated, A two times repeated, but in the set elements not to be repeated, elements not to be repeated, already note I told you in the previous classes. So just we are writing elements A comma D comma M. So elements are not repeated, but there is order is also not important, just we are writing A D M. Okay, next question. P is equal to set of x is to x is whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. Now P is equal to 3.5 after 4 comma 5 comma 6. See, but we are not mentioned 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, but here asking whole number, but decimal number is not important. 3.5, 4.5 is a decimal number, so we are just taken whole number, just taken we are whole number. So 4.5 means 4.5 is a decimal number, 5.5 is a decimal number, so just we are taking whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. 3.5 after 4, 4.4 after 4.5, 4.5 after 5, 5.5 after 6, just we are taking 4, 5, 6. Next question. Write the following sets in the roster form. Write the following sets in the roster form. Given the first question. B is the set of all months in a year having 30 days. Having 30. Here B is the set of all months year having 30 days. Only 30 days. There are now B is equal to set of 30 డేస్ ఉన్నటువంటి మంత్స్ నేమ్ మాత్రమే రాయాలి. ఏప్రిల్, జూన్, సెప్టెంబర్ అండ్ నవంబర్. సో అండ్ వీఆర్ నాట్ రిటర్న్, సారీ, నవంబర్. Why? Because I'm not written, they're only using roster form. They're asking the question roster form. So these are, you can observe again at home. April have only 30 days, June also 30 days, September 30 days, November 30 days. So you're asking question also 30 days having months. All months are 12, we know that, but you're asking only mention 30 days. Next, second question, you write P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. Set of all prime numbers less, smaller than 10, below 10, you write the prime numbers below 10. Already you know that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, but less than 10 you can write. Next, X is the set of the colors of the rainbow. So colors of rainbow, we know that rainbow colors with GR, with GR. How many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. 7 colors. So now we are writing like this. So X is equal to, in the roster form, V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. So I explain you. V comma I comma B comma G comma Y comma O comma R. V means violet, I means indigo, B means blue, G means green, Y means yellow, O means orange, R for red. Okay, V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. You write all the spelling. Okay, so then do this last question. A is the set of factors of 12. A is the set of factors of 12. Which one of the following is not a member of A? So set of 2, we know that 12 factors we are multiplying. 1 12s and 2 6 and 3 4s. These only factors. 1 comma 2 comma 3 3 comma 4 comma 12 comma 6 comma 12. But what is 1 is there, 4 is there, 12 is there, 5 is not there. So this is the answer. 5 is not a member of set A. 5 is not a member of set A. Okay, thank you.